Hey folks, Coach Ray here, and today I'm going to be showing you a real simple but effective exercise that you can use to relieve tightness and pain in your hips. Now, last video I showed you how to do this with the psoas specifically, but in this video, all you need is a chair to get this really nice effective stretch. So let's go ahead and grab one and get right into it. Start with your hips square to the chair and lift one foot up onto it. Here, we want to engage our glutes, hamstrings, and lower abs and not allow our glutes to just come out, but rather, engage them in an upright posture so that we can get a great stretch on the hip flexors specifically. Carefully position your back foot further away from the chair so as to get that nice stretch in your hip flexors, but only go to your comfort level. Retain that same upright position and slowly shift your hips forward to put that front knee right on top of your front heel. Here we want to be careful that our front knee doesn't slide too far ahead, and we want to be careful to keep our hips even to the ground. You can adjust the position and angle of your bottom foot here to find the exact sweet spot where you feel that stretch the most. And when you find it, make sure to pause there and take some intentional inhalations and exhalations. To get a deeper stretch, bring your arms up in the shape of a football post. We don't want to lift our arms straight up because we don't want to pinch the supraspinatus muscle, the muscle just under the deltoid that helps us lift these arms in the first place. Instead, find your balance here, and once you have, gently twist to the side of your raised leg. When you change to this position, you want to make sure that your glutes, lower abs, and hamstrings are still involved, keeping your hips in the exact same place as you change your torso over into the new position. Breathe here for about 30 to 60 seconds and then make sure to get both sides. Carefully return from the position and allow your body to loosen up as you end the exercise. For more on how to relieve pain and improve your posture, go ahead and check out one of the videos I've got for you right here, and make sure to hit that subscribe and notification icon so you don't miss an upload when we put one out. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe at any time. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Coach Ray, and I'll see you on the next one.